how to verify location on Skrill. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can verify your location on Skrill. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Skrill account on the application or on the PC, depending on where you want to, depending on the whichever situation you are. Now, once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, on the screen you would see your mobile wallet account amount, and then below it you'll see three icons, namely add, transfer, and then exchange. All right, and by the time you scroll down, you'll see verification and features. You'll see other options as well. So next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see the profile icon. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the profiles page. On this page, you'll see several options as well, such as verification and features, skill levels, login with your fingerprint, turn on notifications, personal details, connected apps and services, privacy settings, contact us, terms and conditions, privacy notice, FAQ. So as you can see, this just click on verification and features, and then you wait for it to load. Once that's loaded, you can see verification. Verify your account to remove your account limit. Use all features and protect yourself from fraud. So just click on verify. And always click on verify. You can see the option. Take a moment to verify an entity, etc. Just click on verify now, and then click on I agree. And then you will be asked to take pictures or take videos, whatever. Ensure you take pictures, ensure you take videos, ensure you carry out all the on-screen instructions. And then once you carry them out, your location, your email, and every other thing on your account will be verified automatically. So that's how it works. That is how you can verify your location on Skrill. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.